Hi, I'm Barnaby, owner of Joyce Insurance Agency here in New York, and I want to personally welcome you. If you're a business owner, you know the daily grind, managing costs, staying compliant, and making payroll. I get it, because I'm in your shoes. I grew up in the auto repair world with my father owning gas stations, auto repair shops in the Bronx, Manhattan, and Westchester, New York. By age 12, I was in the shop, cleaning bays, melting tires, and doing oil changes. That hands-on experience taught me hard work, responsibility, and how to take care of other people. At 21, I lost my first business, an oil change center, eventually added a gas station. With a little push from my brother, I also started a legal process serving business, working with attorneys across the region. Then in 1995, my wife and I began renovating and selling homes. At first, it was just the two of us doing everything. But over time, we built a small crew and started hiring subcontractors. We still run that small business today in Pennsylvania. These experiences helped me connect with my clients because I face the same challenges. I've managed crews, I navigate regulations, I pay insurance premiums, and I have to make payroll. I understand what New York business owners are up against because I live here too. That's why I formed Joyce Insurance Agency in 1996. My goal was simple: to be the kind of insurance partner I would want as a business owner. Reliable, knowledgeable, truly invested in your success. Today, we proudly provide business insurance coverage for a wide range of industries, from auto repair shops and veterinary clinics to contractors, law firms, and restaurants, and more. And we just don't write policies. We advocate for businesses like it's our own business. We take time to understand what you do, where your risks are, and how to protect what you've built. Without overcomplicating things and without insurance jargon, we speak plain English. What sets us apart is how we treat our clients. When you call Joyce Insurance, you're not talking to a call center or someone reading a script. You're talking to a real person right here in our office who knows your name and understands your business. We make it easy to get what you need. Text us, email us, use our client portal, give us a call, or set an appointment. We'll sit down with you in person. We know you're busy, so we move quickly, fast turnaround, clear communications, and no runaround. From certificates of insurance to claims, we're here for you when you need us. We offer reliable commercial insurance solutions, including general liabilities, workers' comp, business owners, state disability, and professional liability coverages, and more. Whether you're a contractor, restaurant owner, legal professional, or consultant, we got you covered. We proudly represent some of the nation's top carriers: The Hartford, Travelers, Berkshire Hathaway Guard, AmTrust, Progressive, and more. And we have trusted regional carriers like New York Central Mutual, Allegheny, and United Frontier Mutual. At Joyce Insurance, you're not just another policy. You're a fellow business owner. And we're here to help you protect what you've worked so hard to build.